Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Luna. Luna is a cloud gaming service that lets you play a wide variety of games instantly without needing to download them. To begin, you will need an Amazon account and a compatible device. You can access Luna through web browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, or via dedicated apps on Fire TV, select smart TVs, and mobile devices. It's a fantastic way to enjoy gaming without expensive hardware. Once you have your device ready, you will need a controller. While the Luna controller offers the best experience with its Cloud Direct technology, you can also use compatible Bluetooth gamepads or even a mouse and keyboard for certain titles. Pairing is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect your chosen input device. Ensure your controller is fully charged for uninterrupted gaming sessions, providing hours of fun. Navigating the Luna interface is intuitive. You will find different channels, each offering a curated selection of games. Browse through genres, discover new releases, or jump back into your favorites. To start a game, simply select it and click play. Luna handles all the heavy lifting in the cloud, so you can dive into the action almost instantly. Many games also support local co-op, allowing 2 or more players to enjoy together. For the best Luna experience, a stable internet connection is crucial. Amazon recommends a minimum of 10 megabits per second for high-definition gaming and 17 megabits per second for 4K resolution, if available. Using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can significantly reduce latency. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your router or checking your internet speed. A smooth connection ensures seamless gameplay and maximum enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.